Guys, this one offers a wonderfully soft feel that makes a great impression right away. The fabric is smooth, lightweight, and extremely comfortable to wear. Its subtle sheer design adds a touch of elegance and modern style. The overall appearance feels refined without being overly flashy. Friends, comfort is clearly at the heart of this design. The waistband sits gently and comfortably throughout the day. It stays secure while maintaining a relaxed fit. The breathable material helps keep everything feeling fresh. Even after extended wear, it remains pleasantly comfortable. The stitching is neat and carefully finished. Every detail feels thoughtfully crafted and well executed. The fabric texture is silky and gentle against the skin. Nothing feels restrictive or uncomfortable. It creates a smooth and clean look under clothing. The fit feels balanced and naturally flattering. It moves comfortably with your body throughout the day. The overall construction feels reliable and durable. You can easily notice the quality of the materials used. It maintains its shape and appearance over time. Friends, that's a quality many people appreciate. The minimalist styling gives it lasting appeal. It blends effortlessly with both comfort and fashion needs. The elegant finish adds a premium touch. Everything about it feels polished and refined. A great choice for everyday wear and long-lasting comfort. Guys, it delivers a beautiful mix of practicality and sophistication. Once you start wearing it regularly, it quickly earns a place among your favorite